Cortobass is our original model dating back to 2004 with prototypes dating back to 1998. It's the little bass that could, and it did. We built our company around it. On the left is Cortobass number 283, our demo subject of today. And to the right is Cortobass number 002 from 2004. So you can see not a whole lot has changed. A Cortobass encompasses all of the different things that you would want in a bass if you were dissatisfied with big, heavy, hard to play, reaching out into the parking lot for the first fret basses that we have all over the place. We designed this short scale bass so that you don't have to deal with the vintage problems of older short scale designs. Their imbalance, their muddy tone, their lack of modern tones, their lack of build quality, the fact that most of them now are just made in China and stamped with a name, those types of things. If you want a handcrafted bass that's more comfortable and easier to play, this is something you want to check out. The Birdsong Cortobass. Since 2004, they've gone all over the world, and they have built our company, Birdsong Guitars. So, this particular one has some interesting options to it. I've been wanting to show a Cortobass. And this one has flame maple stringers in the body, mahogany stringers in the neck. We don't do too many like that, but here it is. That's purely cosmetic. Other than the rear routing is another cosmetic feature, rather than having the control plate. The neck pickup is a humbucker in this one. It's normally a humbucker and a single. And that's going to give a slightly beefier tone to the neck position. Some of you might find it a bit thick and prefer the single coil option, and some of you might really want a thunderous two pickup tone or neck pickup tone, and this is the bass for that. Has a mahogany body, maple neck, rosewood fingerboard, just like a basic Cortobass that we designed to be everything I wanted in a bass and nothing I didn't. So I'm going to run through some tones here for you. Neck pickup. By the way, any buzzing you're hearing, we're in a metal building and we're kind of rattling the roof, so it's kind of fun. Okay, bridge pickup. Comes through your speakers okay. That's a really, really, really big sound out of a really small bass. The tone control we voiced to be very musical as well. I think if it's a knob on here, it should be usable. So here with the bridge pickup is some different tones with the bridge, with the tone control. Nice solo voice. Neck position with the tone control rolled off is, ding, 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 ding. Bonk, bonk, bonk. Or it's a nice jazz tone. Tell you that a short scale bass can't have sustain. They don't know. They will tell you that short scale basses can't sound good. They don't know. They will tell you that there aren't such thing as handcrafted high-end short scale basses that are still within the reach of the working musician. They don't know. So don't listen to people who don't know. Have yourself a great day. Thank you so much for tuning in to my goofy little videos with these awesome little basses that I love making for you guys. Contact me for any reason. www.birdsongguitars.com, 512-392-4400, Scott@birdsongguitars.com. Thanks again.